Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Just recently, the Department of Education announces that we will be hiring 32,900 plus teaching position by 2026. Wow! This is the biggest in history. So ang pangutan na, unsay imuhang buhaton para makakuha ka og teaching position sa DepEd karong 2026. Now, this video is Application Hack 101. If you are a teacher education graduate and wanted to apply for Teacher 1 position in the Department of Education, be sure imog yung gisabot ang DepEd Order 7 Series 2023. Why? Because this is the latest guidelines for the recruitment, appointment, and selection for Teacher 1 position from kindergarten, elementary, junior high school, and senior high schools. Based on DepEd Order 7 Series 2023, every Teacher 1 applicant is rated based on 6 criteria. What are the 6? First, your education, that's 10 points. Your training, 10 points. Your experience, 10 points. Your PBET or LET rating is 10 points. Then, your COI, which is the classroom observation or demo teaching, is 35 points. And your NCOI, which is the teacher's reflection, is 25 points. A total of 100 points. An increment table is used in order to determine the exact points of every Teacher 1 applicant on its ETE or the Education, Training, and Experience based on the qualification standard set by the Civil Service Commission. The qualification standard of a Teacher 1 applicant are the following. Sa education, kailangan at least lang ka bachelor's degree, either elementary or secondary education graduate, or even diploma in education if you are a second courser. Then, sa training and experience, the Civil Service Commission, 0 ang required. So that is why even fresh graduate can apply for Teacher 1 position in the Department of Education. But chances are, gamay ra siyang score. Now, unsa na to pagkuha ang perfect score aning ETA? So, ani ra siya. If naa kay 33 units sa imuhang masteral, sure ko, perfect score ka sa 10. Now, sa training, if you have 72 hours accumulated training, 10 points ka siguro. Then, sa imong experience, if you have 4 years and up experience in teaching, sure ko, another 10 points. Pero kana ato ang LET og PBET good, fix man na siya. So, clear ang atong score ana niya based on the guidelines. Now, asa ra gid magdaog ang teacher applicant para dako jud chance na masold sa DepEd. Diri ginadaogon yun ninyo sa inyong COI, inyong teaching demo, kay 35 points na siya. And your teacher reflection, this is a written activity given by the HRMPSB to the applicant. So, another 25 points. So, all in all, kung makakuha ka at least 50 points, sud ka sa RQA. Now, napoy guidelines po nag-set gikan pa na siya sa civil service, and even there's a jurisprudence about it na bisan pag rank 1 ka, dili necessary sure na ikaw may unang pilion for the position because natay gitawag discretionary power sa ato ang appointing authority. Naagi na siya jurisprudence or case decided by the Supreme Court na the only person who authorized to select who is the proper person for that position is the appointing authority, not the Civil Service Commission. So I hope this video helps you understand the hiring process in the Department of Education. So if you want to learn more videos about educational law, please follow, like, and share for more updates. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.